Alright, Roy, if your big box Chevrolet, description of this combination, got some of our S-cats in, custom run hydraulic roller, got the chromed out manifold for you, got your valve covers you wanted, your oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 535 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 542, pretty low there. This combination, peak horsepower 512, so everything good. Pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up for you. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.